In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create warehouses and locations in Odoo 18 inventory. If you're looking to leverage the new features of Odoo 18 to manage your inventory effectively, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. First, head over to the Odoo website. You'll want to access the platform where you'll manage your inventory. So, open your preferred web browser and type in the Odoo URL. Once you're on the Odoo homepage, the first action you need to take is to sign in. So, locate the Sign In button, typically found in the upper right corner of the page, and click on it. Enter your credentials and proceed to log into your account. Make sure you have your username and password handy to avoid any hitches in accessing the platform. Now that you're logged in, you should be taken to your Odoo dashboard. This is the central hub where you can access all the different modules and features that Odoo offers. You'll notice a menu running across the top of the screen. From here, your next move is to locate and click on the Inventory module. This will redirect you to the Inventory Management section, which offers various functionalities to manage your products in stock. Once the Inventory module is open, look for the Configuration option in the menu. Clicking on Configuration will reveal different settings and options related to managing your inventory. It's here that you can make adjustments and set up your warehouses and locations according to your operational needs. Next, under the Configuration menu, you will spot Settings. Click on it. The Settings page contains numerous customization options, allowing you to tweak and fine-tune how your warehouse management operates. Here, you can activate options such as multi-warehouses or storage locations if they are not already enabled. And this is an excellent way to align the system's capabilities with your warehouse logistics. Now, navigate to the Warehouse option. When you arrive at this screen, you can manage your warehouses, edit existing ones, or create new warehouses as necessary. It's crucial to ensure that each warehouse accurately reflects your physical locations to maintain a streamlined inventory flow. Lastly, click on Storage Locations. This section is where you can organize and define different storage locations within your warehouses. Proper organization of these locations ensures that products are efficiently stored and can be easily retrieved, thus optimizing your overall warehouse operations. By following these steps, you'll have set up your warehouses and storage locations in Odoo 18 inventory, taking advantage of its new features to enhance your inventory management process. Thanks for joining me today, and happy inventory managing!